what's up guys, Sid here from RexTech, back with another video on RexTech's Quick Tips. And in this video, we're gonna see how you can get free power banks. Yeah, so you might be wondering, how can one get a free power bank when you gotta pay for batteries, even as small as AA's? Well, the answer is pretty simple. It's been over 10 years since the first smartphone came out, and well, smartphones' batteries have increased in capacity and in quality, and of course in standby time as well. And I'm pretty sure that everyone must at least have 2 to 3 old smartphones that nobody uses and is maybe damaged in one way or the other, but the battery still functions. It can still power on the device. So everyone might have that kind of a smartphone. I'm gonna tell you guys that you can reuse that battery in order to power your new one in the case of emergencies. All you gotta do is buy a tiny OTG adapter, which costs nothing at all, around I don't know, $1, under $1, 10 rupees. And all you gotta do is pretty simple. Keep your old phone charged and power it off. When your new phone needs that emergency juice kick, all you gotta do is power on the old device, connect the OTG adapter, and take your new phone's charging cable, connect the USB-A end to the old phone and the micro or USB Type-C end to the new phone, and voila, you're golden. You're charging your device. And it may not be the fastest charging, but it's a reverse wired charging. And there you go, you got that emergency juice pumping through your new smartphone, which I don't know, you had to use to book that emergency Uber or something. But that wraps it for this video. Hope you liked it. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell icon, check out rexmediagroups.com and the social media links linked down as well. Support us on Patreon, and I'll see you guys later.